Hi, my name is Damian Sanchez, owner of DC Mosquito Squad, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about a lockbox and how to change the combination. This lockbox is in the lock position right now. I've set the code 0323 as the opening code, so you can open it, and there you go. If you need to move it, there's a little button here that allows you push it in and it allows it to come up so you can place it on another spot on the property, and it locks right back in place. To change the combination, you need to open it, turn it around. There's a little rubber gasket here on this little switch. Remove the rubber gasket, set it aside, and now you can see the switch. So you need to push it over and up. So over and up, and this allows you to reset the combination. To set the combination, once you've done that, you need to pick your new combination. For here, we're gonna pick 7201. 7201. All right. Now we're gonna come back over here. We're gonna push it down, and it's gonna automatically push over. Now we've set the combination. Then you'll set the gasket back in. There we go. And that just prevents it from getting knocked around. So now we'll close it. Now it's locked. Go back to 7201. Now it's open. And there you go. That's how you change the combination of a lockbox. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or email us, and we'll be happy to assist you further.